Hi, my name is Johnny Cisneros, and welcome to Learn to Use Greek and Hebrew. Get ready to start using Greek and Hebrew tools to get at the meaning of a passage, verse, or word. Now, because we're concerned with meaning, I'll be using the three components of meaning as the outline for our journey. They are context, grammar, and words. Now, as an introduction, let me show you how these work together. If you saw the word bear by itself without any other words, it would be hard to tell what it means. It could be a verb, that is an action word, or it could be a noun, as in the animal. Now, what if I added the word the in front of it? Now you can tell that I'm talking about the animal, not the verb. Since that seemed helpful, let's add more words. The, child, bear, saw. But you can tell that this sentence doesn't mean anything because the words are all out of order. You recognize that there's an underlying system of rules for how we make sentences. That system of rules for language we'll call grammar. But even words and grammar aren't enough to communicate meaning. You still need context. The sentence, "It was a bear," can have a different meaning depending on the context. Say my daughter and I were at a zoo, and after hearing something growl from within a cave, she asks, "What was that?" And I say, "It was a bear." Then, you could tell, I'd be identifying the kind of animal making the growling sound. But say we're at a school, and I ask my daughter, "How'd the big test go?" And she says, "It was a bear." From the context I gave, you'd know she was talking not about an animal, but about the difficulty of the test. You see, context, grammar, and words work together to communicate meaning. So if you're ready, let's take the first step in learning to use Greek and Hebrew with Logos Bible software.